but we need somebody like you who can see a situation, take command like quite if necessary, and use brutal force if necessary as well. You up to a job like that?
Boss, you sure say that job is the right kind of job for me? I remember me not telling me the one go on the street and not report him. So, it's coming like a setback.
Well, look at it this way, Scott. In everything there's some amount of badness. This is a way to call corporate badness. At least around me you're protected. The best lawyers, the best defense. But by the way, I hear some little thing are going on over on your ground. You want another community in a war. How that stay? Because if you're going to do this, you cannot do that. Someone want to make that quell.
What you know about that, bossy?
In a business, you have to do your research. I'm going to do mine.
Well, me fix things, you know. Two community them come by. I don't know. Peace again.
So you're ready for work then? And I'm going to pull a disappearance stunt on me again when I call you and can't reach your phone. Because I suspect say, because of whatever that happened, you're busy.
Right now, I'm ready for work. Come on, set the ground the proper way so youth them can live a different kind of way. So, anything you ready for do, man?
Brother, the word that you're banning, so this not a call.
Yeah, man, boss.
Alright.
Yo, what you say? It's the second time now I hear the argument there from them boy and well, don't worry yourself. Now go around and go circle them. Wicked.
Greetings, ones and ones. Yeah. I see you there, I do. There, I'm gonna.
King man.
You must, Mr. Savage. Where you did it?
Me just a circle the ends in a brother. I'm get to understand. Man have it to say. Me a pre the thing and me under pre-mens and me a send police come around and come stop the man them food. When I'm me a the same one want the place run under order where you are do ya.